welcome back for another video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a review on this gel polish kit from MEFA, I believe is how you say it. They did send this to me, so thank you for sending me this. So it does come with the instructions here. The kit does come with a lamp, which is awesome. I was actually in the need of a new one. So here's the user manual, and it does come with the connector cord, and it has the 30, 60, and 90-second buttons on there. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't have that countdown, so I feel like I'm sitting there forever, but it's really not that big of a deal. And it comes with this little container with a bunch of little goodies. It does come with swatch sticks as well, which is awesome. So I will be swatching all the colors. So it came with the cuticle oil pen there. It came with the little toe separator, a brush, a cuticle remover. It does come with cuticle remover cream as well, which is awesome. It comes with a buffer, a nail file, and nail clippers. And a cuticle pusher as well, I'm sorry. I will say already, I did not like that nail buffer at all. So I do not use it, but I do use everything else that came in this kit. I do like how it comes in this little container as well. It's pretty helpful. Now this is the 60-piece gel polish kit. It comes with 42 gel polishes. It has 2 glossy top coats, 1 matte top coat, and 2 base coats as well. And I'm just gonna swatch a few. I don't show all of them. I do just show a few, because there was just way too many. So this kit comes with a broad spectrum of colors for all the seasons and holidays. It also comes with a cuticle remover cream that I showed you, also with the oil pen, so you can moisturize your hands and your cuticles after you finish your set. This also is a great gift. Black Friday is coming soon, and this set is 58% off. The original price is $59.99, and it's only $24.99 on Black Friday, so from November 20th to the 27th. So make sure you go check that out. I will have it linked down below for you guys. And and obviously you can tell by the price that this kit is super affordable, so you can get salon quality nails at home. So make sure you check out those links to get yours for Black Friday. So starting off with my set, I am going to go ahead and buff off my nails. I did just take off my previous dip powder nails, so I just had some residue. I had already did some prep already, so I didn't need to do much. I just buffed the shine off the nails. And then I added my tips. I will link these down below as well. And now I'm just going to go in and file off that little tab at the tip of the nails. And then I do go ahead and buff the nails as well. So now I'm just going to dust off my nails. I did clean them with some alcohol just to make sure we get all that dust off. And now I'm going to go in with a base coat, just a thin coat of that over all the nails. I do like this base coat as well. It's like a regular, nothing fancy base coat, but I do like it. It's not too runny, so it doesn't flood the cuticles. And then once I was finished applying that, I did do a full 60-second cure. And these bottles are 7 milliliter bottles. And I do think it's cool that it has the QR code at the top. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here. This is like a very pretty, it looks more reddish on camera, but it is more of like a purpley color. This is number 0824. When I was doing the swatches, this color just screamed at me, so I'm gonna use it for my set today. And then for my middle nail and my thumbnail, I go in with shade 0830. And this is more of a pinky nude. I didn't want just a white harsh color, so we went in with a more of a pinky color. And I did put some of that on my nail palette for some nail art. And I'm going to go in with this. One side is a dotting tool, the other side is a brush. So I think these are perfect for doing nail art. So on the pinky, I decided to go in with shade 0726. It is a purple glitter. And then I did go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. And now I'm going in on my middle finger doing some dotting art. And then I decided to do that same glitter on the pointer finger as well. And then I did go ahead and cure that one for the 30 seconds when I was finished. And then I used some rhinestone gel to try to, I don't know what that trend is going on, but I saw it yesterday on Nails by Vix, one of her nail videos, her latest one. And she used rhinestone gel and kind of made like a 3D design on hers, and I thought that was cool, so I wanted to try it myself. And then I cured it for 30 seconds, both the pinky and the pointer thumb, the pinky and the pointer finger. And then I cured it, and then I applied a base coat over it so that I could apply some gold chrome powder over it. And I did gold because I added a rhinestone to the ring nail, which you'll see in a little bit, and I was trying to tie in the gold. But once I was finished adding that base coat, I did go ahead and cure it. And it actually kind of helped build up a little bit, so it was more off of the nail, which is what I was going for. I'm sorry, it's off camera. I moved my camera on my table and I'm not used to where it's at now, so I apologize. But I'm just going over that nail art with some chrome powder, and then I did go ahead and top coat that once I was done. I'm not sure what this design is called, but I think it's cute. I think the set turned out cute. I think it was something different. I've never done this kind of nail art before. I do like this top coat as well. It's very shiny. And then once I was done applying that, I did go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going in with that rhinestone gel again just to add my rhinestone to my nail. And I think it matched the color like perfect. It was like spot on. And I'm in the process of moving all my nail stuff to a different room, so I don't have all my rhinestones out. But now I'm going in with this cuticle oil just to nourish my nails and cuticles. And this is how the set turned out, you guys. The chrome powder design, I don't know what it's called, like I said, but I think it's cute. The dots are cute. This gel polish is amazing, guys. Some of it is a little streaky, but 2 coats and you're fine. And the matte top coat worked really well also. But make sure you guys click the link down below and get your kit today from MEFA. I'm so sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right, but thank you again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.